Let's talk BCAAs, guys. In my opinion, BCAAs are the most critical supplement for those wanting to develop lean muscle mass. If you are serious about that goal and achieving it in the most optimal time frame possible, then BCAAs will need to be part of your everyday supplement schedule. First of all, it's important to understand we are either in one of two states. We are either anabolic, meaning our bodies are actively rebuilding and developing new tissue, or we're catabolic, meaning our body is breaking itself down, potentially using lean tissue as fuel for basic physiological functions. We are never at a state of perfect maintenance. Next critical thing to realize is when we train, we are purposely putting ourselves in very catabolic environments. The training effect on our bodies immediately increases catabolic hormones into our system and triggers the body to start pulling on and using amino acids. Where does it get these aminos from? If you don't have easy to use aminos flooding your system, then the body will pull them from your lean muscle tissue, breaking them down. Supplementing with BCAAs during weight training will primarily act as a lean muscle tissue protection. Having easy to digest aminos flooding your system, the body will be far more likely to use these rather than break down our hard-earned muscle mass. Now, the great thing about the BPI Best BCAAs is the easy to digest and very usable leucine content it's packing. Leucine acts as basically a switch for the body to turn protein synthesis on. Protein synthesis is the body's process to build new lean muscle. So having a solid dose of this going through us helps keep that anabolic switch on, especially important under times of stress such as training. Foods that are protein sources such as chicken, beef, eggs, or whey protein provide good levels of branched chain amino acids. It's important to vary these protein sources ideally from meal to meal to help ensure that your daily amino acid profiles are complete. But when it comes to times of training, you always want the easiest, most immediate, most accessible, and most usable source possible. Enter BPI Sports Best BCAAs.